Can you crack this math puzzle? 2 times 8 equals 32, 3 times 9 equals 54, 4 times 10 equals 80. Following the exact and same logical rule, what is the answer to 5 times 11? Now let's break down the hidden logic rule here. At first glance, standard multiplication obviously doesn't give us these high numbers here because 2 times 8 equals 16. But in this puzzle, 2 times 8 gave us 32. Now let's look closer at what happens when we do normal multiplication. Let's look at the first rule, which says 2 times 8. 2 times 8 normally will give us what? 16. 2 times 8 will give us 16. Then how do we jump from 16 to 32 that we have here? That means 2 times 8 times 2 will give us 32, which is correct. So the rule for this puzzle is 2 multiplied by A times B. 2 is the one we are multiplying with the first and second number. Now let's verify with the second rule, which says 3 multiplied by 9 equals 54. Using the rule above, 2 into bracket of A times B, that is 2 times A is 3 and our B is 9. 2 times 3, 6. 6 times 9 will give us 54, which is correct. Now let's look at the third rule. 4 times 10 equals 80. Using the rule above, that is 2 times 4 times 10. 2 times 4, 8. 8 times 10 will give us 80. Finally, let's solve the last rule, which says 5 times 11 equals what? Using the same rule above, 2 times 5 times 11 will give us the answer here. 2 times 5, 10. 10 times 11 will give us 110, which is our final and correct answer. Did you get 110? Let me know your method in the comment section. Kindly hit the like button and subscribe for more daily math challenges.